Wagwan, welcome to Doctor's Cave Beach in Montego Bay, also known as Mo Bay in Jamaica. I took this day to have some fun, swim and jump into the turquoise waters in the Caribbean Sea. And there you can see the first problem that I had. First obstacle, climbing up these stairs and reaching the top of this buoy. Oh boy, it is not as easy as I thought initially. But it was fun, and I did climb this quite a lot of times. And now the second obstacle, the equilibrium, or the lack of equilibrium. I never had a good equilibrium, but on top of a buoy, that was even worse. So it took me a while to start to get the hang of it. I stayed on these yellow and blue buoy for a few hours on that day, and the water in the Caribbean Sea is awesome, and seeing the catamaran with people having fun on it and nice music around was always great. And of course, even if I'm 50 years old, I like to jump into the water. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow, and it is free as well. And this time I did something different with my daughter. I started and jumped with a GoPro in my hands into the water. As you can see, it's very clear, and there she comes. She is gonna come and jump as well in any second now. You'll see how nice it gets under the water. Really, really nice water. And there it comes. Third obstacle, the lack of skills. I just never did this even when I was a kid. So imagine start doing that when you're 50. So I know it sucks. I don't know how to do it, and you can laugh as much as you want. But it was fun. Last but not least, that's the fourth obstacle, the age itself. Oh boy, that sucks. And ending the video, can see an airplane very close to landing in the airport that's just behind the Cornwall beach over there.